Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So if you want to get your keys and run out for this deal, I absolutely would, because I'm seeing a lot of couponers fully clear stores. Had a couple of you guys message me about this deal. So we're just going to talk about it, of the Scott's um, toilet paper and paper towel. The ones that are usually exactly $5, they're going to be a buck. Where is this taking place? At the Office Depot or Office Max. So if you have one of these stores local to you, meaning it's just a quick drive, or you could just get there on your way home from work. If you have to drive 6 hours return, obviously not a great not a great plan. But if you have one local to you, meaning close, or if you're driving by, or you're dropping your kid off to baseball practice and you want to pop in there, absolutely would, because $1 for paper is an unheard of price point, and it's exciting any way you slice the pie. So it is the Scott toilet paper and paper towel, the 6 rolls. You see that $5 on the top right hand corner? That's the one you're going to be looking for. You have to do this in store. You can't do it curbside, because curbside, it's still ringing up $5. A lot of people on social media talking about this quickly, and the couponers are clearing stores like they're doing the Grinch Who Stole Christmas. They're buying all of it. And the toilet paper, this would be more interesting for me for $1, so you're getting $4 of savings. And it's, again, the one that you typically see at Walgreens with the $5 in the corner. So if you see these at your store, grab a couple and ask for a price check at the front, and then you decide how many you want to grab. They probably have more in the back as well, because this is really the meat and potatoes of what they sell over at Office Depot. So I did not go to the store today for this. My closest store is probably maybe like an hour and some change return, factoring in high gas prices. And my store said they're completely sold out. Maybe an employee bought them all. I don't know. I just said, you know what? I think I'm going to skip this one. And we get it all the time at Walgreens. But again, if you have one of these local to you, I absolutely would it's worth asking for a price check. And it's always your mile may vary what's happening in Michigan compared to Texas. And but it's definitely worth rolling the dice for dollar paper products. I can't say that enough. And I know a lot of you want the UPCs, so here it is. And even if your website says sold out, and if there is some for $5, I still would go and check. And ask for a price check in store. And the ladies that are scoring a lot are saying that, they're just going in store and asking for a price check, and it's ringing up for $1. Once this gets out there, it's probably going to get cleared really quickly. And just to show you my local store, it says out of stock. But if I was within an earshot of it, I absolutely would run in there and ask for a price check. And just be patient with this one. And again, go in store, ask for a price check. You can't do this deal curbside. And I think between employees, or if another couponer beats you to the store, it might get cleared very quickly. But because you have the information a little sooner, hopefully you guys have a lot of success with this. Usually this time of the year, towards July, August, they start clearing out a lot of really great things. I remember last year I got a bunch of paper towel, also by Scott, the bigger ones. So good luck, guys, and let me know in the comments down below if you have one of these office stores, and if you score, let us know. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.